the scenery. She read the magazine.
The establishment doesn't like the movement Bernie Sanders is coalescing. The political elite are uncomfortable with our passion. And the billionaires who are attempting to take over this country are realizing that we are going to put up one hell of a fight. And it's time to man our battle stations. My brothers and sisters of all colors, whether you look like me or you don't, I tell you to fight hard for your values. We have never seen a candidate like Bernie Sanders. This is our opportunity, folks, and it's going to take much more than rallies. Facebook posts are not enough. Bumper stickers are not going to get this one done, but we have the truth, the virtue of our values, and the true American spirit on our side. The kind of American spirit that we use to gain our freedom from the most powerful empire in the world and to get slavery off of our shores and ensure that the Constitution applied to all. The spirit we use to obliterate Hitler and the Nazis, proving once more that hate will not defeat us. So no, not us. The American spirit that lifted our nation out the Great Depression and started to demand that the American dream be attainable for all. That American spirit is what I sense in this crowd today. We will not be silent, we will be loud. The issues that face America today, such as systematic racism, global climate change, economic exploitation, corrupt campaign financing, and the fruits of hateful rhetoric must be addressed, and Bernie Sanders is the only candidate that I trust to do that. So today I stand with Shaun King, Dr. Cornel West, and Killer Mike, and I throw my support to Bernie Sanders, the next president of the United States of America.
So I got involved in the campaign. I've been campaigning for a couple of politicians now for about 5 years. The reason I got into it is because the really only thing that would give me the motivation is my kids. All the issues that we talk about, they do affect us here now. They are really important. But as a mom, I just felt a responsibility. I have to make sure the country is as good of a place for my kids to grow up as I got to grow up. And I can't say that's true right now. Putting my kids in school, I don't think they have as good of an education as we did 20 years ago. I don't think they have as much economic opportunity, and I don't think they have good health care. And the future is just not as bright for the children of today as we had 10, 15, 20, 30 years ago. So that's why I'm volunteering. I'm mom for Bernie, and yeah, hey kids.
Okay. So I'm not able to vote in this upcoming election because I'm only 16 years old. But I know that when I get to the point where I can go to college, I don't want to be in debt to get a higher level education, and I don't think that anyone else should have to too. And that's why I'm volunteering and supporting Bernie. Thank you.
I'm a mom and I am a tenant voting for Bernie. Bernie told us that we can't just work to elect him, that we have to be part of the revolution afterwards and drive the revolution. And that's what I think needs to happen in the intersection of racial justice and economic justice and access to healthcare and access to education, and that is access to housing, housing security, housing dignity for everyone. Right now in Portland, you can pay more than someone's mortgage, interest, taxes, all of their maintenance, and a tidy profit, and still not know that your kids can go to that same school next year or even next month. If you get a $300 rent increase or a no cause eviction, you can be a person of color who can't even get into a house because despite the Fair Housing Act, we have a list of screening criteria that allows them to systematically discriminate against people of color, people with disabilities, single mothers, people with criminal backgrounds who have paid their time. It is time to rise up and demand that housing is a human right and to fight for it. Please join us at Portland Tenants United to do that.
Hi, Portland. My name is Jesse Smallwood. Have any of you ever heard of me?
Rapist.
All right, well, for those who never heard of me, I bless my ass every single day for you people, from the moment that I wake up to the moment that I go to sleep, working to give a voice for the disenfranchised. I'm like a fake Bernie Sanders from Portland, which is a pretty good thing to be. So the reason I want to bring this up, like I said, I'm running for mayor, and the problems that we're all concerned about on this national level that brings us all to the same team to support Bernie are the same problems that we have here in Portland, Oregon. Do you notice not another single candidate for the office of mayor is here today? You know why? Because I wouldn't feel very comfortable if I was raising hundreds of thousands of dollars to try to buy an election. Is money going to buy this election, Portland? Are people going to win this election? One more time. Are people going to win this election? So here's my little tip. The only way that we can win this election is for everybody to take sincere personal ownership of it. One vote each is not enough. Get out, rally your neighbors, your friends' family, your family's neighbors, your neighbors' relatives. And when you get a chance, please vote Jesse Sponberg, and you go get a flyer over there and support all these other great things. And remember, Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter! Black Lives Matter!
Hi, my name is Tom.
Oh, nice. Fail.
You see that kid push me?
Hi, my name is Tom.